Well, the Food and Drug Administration releases a nearly 500-page plan to regulate premium cigars for the first time, but one Florida lawmaker says the new regulations amount to harassment. One America's John Hines has more from Washington.
The Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, wants to regulate premium cigars in the same way they regulate cigarettes. But Florida Congressman Bill Posey thinks the FDA has overstepped its bounds.
It's just government going wild, trying to overregulate a legal product, which they have no business to overregulate. This is about the freedom of adults to enjoy a legal product without being harassed by the federal government through a rulemaking process they're not authorized to do.
Posey may be right. Kip Talley of the Premium Cigar Retailers Association says that the original Tobacco Control Act of 2009 may have given the FDA latitude to treat premium cigars differently from cigarettes.
At that time, they also said that FDA could further deem products in the future to be tobacco products and under their regulatory control. That's what this regulation has done with e-cigarettes, cigars, premium cigars, hookah tobacco. But it has gone far beyond the original intent of Congress.
That intent was to keep young people from smoking. But Eric Newman, who runs the last remaining domestic cigar maker in Tampa, Florida, says premium cigars don't have the same health issues as cigarettes.
FDA is concerned about youth access to tobacco, and they're concerned like nicotine. Cigars are not, they're not habit-forming. They don't become, people aren't dependent on cigars like cigarettes. They can smoke 2 cigars a day or go smoke 5 cigars, go 5 months without smoking a cigar. Cigars don't have the health issues that cigarettes have, but FDA treated it all the same. The complex regulations would make it nearly impossible for cigar makers to introduce new products, says Newman. And in fact, the Tax Foundation says that by the FDA's own appraisal, the new regulations would wipe out somewhere between 10 and 50% of cigar products, as it would not be cost-effective to put many of the products through the review process. John Hines, One America News, Washington.